Welcome back, everybody. The Nevada State Bank connected us with David Perez of Immunize Nevada to get more details on their thoughts and efforts during the coronavirus pandemic. Here's our conversation. So tell us what your mission is with Immunize Nevada.
Yeah, so currently, Immunize Nevada, we have a lot of work to do at the moment. We are a statewide nonprofit. We focus on education and advocacy for the state in terms of vaccines, so really promoting vaccines and when they should be administered, information like that. And so now, being such a huge sector of public health, we're kind of helping out wherever we can at the moment, but while still practicing social distancing.
Of course. Now, there isn't treatment or a vaccine yet for this virus, but what are you guys doing in the meantime?
In the meantime, we're really promoting the things that do work. You are correct. There is no vaccine at the moment, and treatment hopefully will be around the corner, but is still a little bit off. But we know that the things we're practicing and preaching are effective, which is the hand washing, the social distancing, the making sure that you stay at home. And if you're around someone who's sick, you're either, staying at home or avoiding them as well. In the meantime, while we're trying to figure out a treatment for this, it's really important to really focus on the things that do work because they are really effective. You hear social distancing a lot, and that's really using the promotion of not necessarily the belief that other people may be sick, but acting as if you are sick, and you're really doing your part to make sure that you're not infecting other people, even if you haven't had contact with the virus before. And then also things such as sanitizing your local space as well to make sure that in case it's on any surfaces, you're getting rid of it.
Of course. And what should people know about immunization and vaccines?
Yeah, I think right now is a very important part to really think about vaccinations and immunizations, especially because the time right now is still flu season. And even though there are some major differences between COVID-19 and flu, the flu is still really infecting. We're still in the middle of flu season. So that's why we promote getting that vaccine a lot, especially for adults and anyone who's older than 6 months.
Okay, and can we talk about just your organization in general and what you guys do for the community?
Of course, yeah. So we do have 2 offices, one here in Las Vegas, another one up in Reno, and we really try to break down barriers to accessing vaccines. So we can host baby events, community clinics. We do back to school season is really busy for us because all the parents want to get vaccinated before school starts, and really making sure that we can provide low cost or free vaccines with our community partners when available.
So moving forward, people are at home watching. What's the number one thing you want people to remember during this time?
We really want people to remember that vaccines are still important. They're going to be more important than ever at this time. I think this serves as a reminder as to once, hopefully, we do find a vaccine, why it is important to administer on time. And that if you are seeking any kind of medical care outside of COVID-19 reasons, that you're calling ahead so that healthcare providers can let you know what precautions to take, what special entrance to use, or how to get to those healthcare providers without endangering yourself or anyone else.
Okay, and how can people get in touch with you guys and get more information?
Yeah, so all of our contact information is at immunizenevada.org, and then that's in English and Spanish website. All of our phone numbers and emails are on there as well. We started a statewide blog like many of our other community partners have with resources for COVID-19, and so they can go to immunizenevada.org, find that under our blogs section, and then hopefully it's a one-stop shop for resources.
Okay, thank you so much, David. Last question, any words of encouragement for people out there?
Yeah, I know that you have been saying this on the air, and I think it really resonates with everyone, is that we're really all in this together. And so everyone doing their part is really going to have major payoffs in the long run, I think. Thank you again, David. And we want to thank Nevada State Bank for being one of our Community Pride partners.